Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhanwar. We are discussing KVPY 2017 SX, and the question for this video is this. The sound of a cannon firing is heard 1 second later at a position B than at position A. If the speed of sound is uniform, then, and we have been asked to answer one of the four options is correct. First option, the positions A and B are foci of a hyperbola with cannon's position on one branch of the hyperbola. B option, the position A and B are foci of an ellipse with cannon's position on the ellipse. C option, one of the positions A, B is focus of a parabola with cannon's position on the parabola. D, it is not possible to describe the positions of A, B and the cannon with the given information. Yeah. So let's say the position of this cannon is essentially, let's say this is the position of the cannon. Yeah. There is a point A, supposed to be a fixed point A, yeah, as per the question it seems. Yeah, the position of cannon can vary. However, the constraint is that once there is a cannon firing, yeah, the sound reaches the point B 1 second later than when it reaches the point A. So here, let's say these two are the fixed points A and B. So and let's say this is one of the possible positions of the of the whatever you may say the warfare equipment, yeah, or one of the positions of the cannon firing, such that the sound reaches the position B 1 second later compared to position A. Yeah, and speed of sound is uniform. Let's say that speed of sound is, let's say, is V. Yeah, so you may say if it reaches a point, if the sound reaches point A after time t, once the cannon firing is done, so you may say that distance of A from the point where cannon has been fired is Vt, and since 1 second later the sound reaches point B, so the distance of point B from the point or the position where cannon has been fired is V times t plus 1. Yeah, and let's say this is a point P where the cannon is being fired, whose locus we want to find as such. So clearly you can say Pb minus Pa is V times t plus 1 minus Vt is a constant V. So Pb minus Pa, P point, the position or the point where we fire cannon so as to follow the given constraint, is such that difference of its distance from B and A is constant. So clearly you can say that locus of point P, yeah, and mind that it is not mod of Pb minus Pa equal to V. It is straight away just Pb minus Pa equal to some constant. So locus of point P can be an hyperbola, or rather a branch of hyperbola. Hyperbolas, one of the two branches you may say, yeah, with A and B as foci, yeah, or it depends on what is the distance between these 2 points, A and B, yeah. Given that there is at least one such point where the cannon can be fired such that the sound reaches the position B 1 second later compared to position A, that means this is not the case of no locus. Yeah, so there is another possibility of locus. What if the distance between, yeah, here if the distance between AB is less than V, yeah, then hyperbola's branch would be the locus of point P. But if the distance between points A and B, that means the length AB, if it is equal to V, yeah, then the locus of point P would be a ray, yeah, would be a ray. Rather, it would be a ray originating at A, yeah, and moving away from B along BA, yeah, in the on the line BA, it starts at A and moves away from B. Yeah. If AB is equal to V. Just a minor correction here. If AB is greater than V, yeah, because difference of two sides is less than the third side. Yeah. So AB, if AB is greater than V, then this is the situation. Yeah. And if AB is equal to V, then this is the situation. So in that sense, D should be the answer as such, as per the given information. But the official answer is A, and I have just explained why D should be the answer. Why? Because there are two possible, loci. One can be hyperbola's branch. P can move along one of the branches of hyperbola with A and B as foci, or it can also be a ray originating at A and moving away from B, along BA. And this is something that you may already be aware of. Yes, so a bit of ambiguity and error perhaps, from the side of KVPY. So official answer is A, and I have explained why it is not perfectly correct. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned.